Did you know that livestock farming is responsible for more greenhouse gas emissions than all the world's cars, planes, and ships combined? This staggering fact uncovers a hidden environmental cost of our meat consumption. The reality is our dinner plates carry a much heavier burden than we realize. From the outside, livestock farming appears to simply be a process of feeding and raising animals, but there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. Have you ever considered what goes into the production of the meat that lands on our plates? The reality is far from the idyllic image of free-roaming animals grazing on lush pastures. Instead, we find a system of intensive farming that pushes the boundaries of sustainability and animal welfare. The first pitfall of this system is deforestation for animal feed production. Vast swaths of forests are being cleared to make way for soybean and corn fields, the primary feed for livestock. This not only destroys the habitats of countless species, but also contributes to climate change, as these forests are vital carbon sinks. Next, we face the issue of antibiotic overuse. To keep up with the high demand for meat, animals are often raised in cramped conditions, leading to the spread of diseases. To counteract this, farmers resort to antibiotics. But overuse of these drugs has led to the rise of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, posing a significant health risk to both animals and humans. Beyond the physical health risks, there's also the psychological impact on farm workers. They bear witness to the harsh realities of factory farming daily, leading to a higher prevalence of mental health issues in this profession. The animal welfare concerns are equally alarming. Many livestock animals live their lives in confined spaces with little to no access to the outdoors. This lack of natural behavior and movement takes a severe toll on their well-being. These issues are real, pervasive, and happening right under our noses. The truth is, the cost of cheap meat is far greater than the price tag at the grocery store. It's a cost borne by our environment, our health, and the welfare of animals. Let's not turn a blind eye to these realities. It's high time we reassess our food systems and seek out sustainable alternatives, because the choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. These issues are real, pervasive, and happening right under our noses. So what does this all mean for us, the consumers? Well, let's uncover the hidden costs of that cheap meat sitting in your grocery store. Factory farming, a major player in the meat industry, has a significant impact on local communities and our environment. It's not just about dollars and cents. Consider the pollution of waterways from animal waste, the degradation of soil due to overgrazing, and the loss of biodiversity from deforestation for animal feed production. These factors, while not directly affecting your wallet, have long-term implications for the health of our planet. Now let's move on to our health. The overuse of antibiotics in livestock farming leads to the development of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, a grave threat to human health. The consumption of cheap meat also contributes to a rise in lifestyle diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes. So remember, the true cost of our meat consumption is much higher than the price tag suggests. Unsustainable farming is a problem that affects us all, but there is a way forward. The key lies in embracing sustainable alternatives in the livestock industry. Imagine a future where plant-based diets and lab-grown meat are the norms, reducing our reliance on intensive farming. Picture a world where we support local farmers, prioritizing animal welfare and environmental health over cheap meat. These aren't just dreams, they're viable solutions. The power to change the future of farming is in our hands. But knowledge is only the first step. You hold the power to demand change. Learn more about sustainable farming. Reconsider your consumption habits. The choice is in your hands. Remember, every choice we make has an impact. What will yours be?